And reproductive health coverage was on the ballot as an advisory question here in Illinois. It asked voters, you may have seen this, whether treatments like IVF should be covered by health insurance plans that provide full coverage to pregnancy benefits. More than 70% of people said they'd like the state to expand health care. But this question was only an advisory. It is non-binding. But in 10 other states, abortion access was on the ballot in some capacity.
And while results are still coming in, Naomi Ruckham explains how some of those initiatives passed while others failed.
It was perhaps the most divisive issue outside of the name at the top of the ticket: reproductive rights and abortion. In the wake of the Supreme Court's 2022 decision to overturn Roe v. Wade, abortion rights groups turned to the ballot, placing women's health care directly in the hands of voters themselves.
My individual rights are super important, as are my girls.
I don't think women's rights is the #1 issue for America right now.
10 states had abortion on the ballot. In Florida, Amendment 4 failed. The measure would have overridden the state's ban on abortion after 6 weeks. But supporters could not garner the 60% of votes needed to pass, disappointing Democrats in the state.
It is not the end of our work, it is the beginning.
The measure did, however, earn a majority, 57% of the vote, which supporters welcomed as a small victory.
It is still a historic outcome that demonstrates how the majority of Floridians oppose Governor DeSantis' 6-week abortion ban.
Pro-choice measures did succeed in other states, however, including Missouri, which currently has some of the country's strictest laws, banning abortion entirely with the exception of medical emergencies. In Arizona, voters also passed a constitutional initiative allowing abortion rights up to fetal viability, generally considered around 23 or 24 weeks. Naomi Ruckham, CBS News.
Voters in Maryland, Colorado, and Nevada all added abortion rights to their state constitutions.